Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at Nexter's Testimonials block in WordPress. This is part of a series of videos taking a look at Nexter's blocks one by one. To get started, let's go ahead and open up a brand new blank page to take a look at this block on its own. For the beginners out there, before we continue any further, if this right-hand sidebar isn't here, there's this button called Settings beside Publish. Just click on that, and this is where all of the settings, toggle, and configure for our block will show up. Next, let's give our page a title. And last but not least, let's add the block itself. There's this plus icon on the top left corner called the block inserter. It opens up when you click it, and we can either search for our block, or you can see Nexter blocks is right here, and we can scroll down. But I think it's all the way down, so let's go ahead and put in Testimonials, and let's drag and drop that into our workspace. Okay, that's basically it. There's your Testimonials block. Now, let's take a look at how to customize it and configure it, and so on and so forth. First off, with our toolbar over here, we can either add a new one, right? And it's going to be over here, or we can subtract. So let's go ahead and add a couple. Now we have 3. And over here under layout, let's start going from the top going down. We have a couple styles, right? Style 1, and then style 2, and then style 3 gives you 2 different options to choose from, right? Layout 1 and layout 2, and then style 4 is over here. And we can change the grid layout for these as well. Okay, with that, let's go ahead and change up our testimonials. Now, our author title, we can select that from a comment, right? And we can automate this. And comment status, post name, author title, so on and so forth, right? You could either use this as your team members area block, or Nexter has a team members block dedicated to that. So let's go ahead and put in our name over here, Mr. Paul, and let's put it over here. And here we have our content. Again, we can just use some dynamic input from there. And okay, and then over here is a title that you can put here, or you can use an excerpt. Just use your imagination. And over here under media library, let's go with this guy over here. Okay, and then we can either, well, we can go ahead and close this, right? And we can drag and drop these and exchange them over what we want. Now for our columns, we can change how many columns we have. We can change to have it be a single column over here, right? Our content height is going to change depending on our images over here. Our ratings, we can enable or disable ratings, right? Star or custom icons. And then over here, we're going to go back to our content. And down here, star rating, it's going to be 5, right? Let's see if we can go beyond. Oh, very nice. Very nice. Some block libraries don't even let you go past 5. So that's very nice to see on this block. It's a pleasant surprise. And let's go under style, and over here we have our general typography settings. You can either use your global settings or just change it manually, and we can change the font size from here, right? We can change our author designation, typography, image style, max width, put the shadow on it, the star rating. Okay. We can change the content typography, content background. You can put a scroll bar on this if we have a lot to choose from, a lot to view, a lot to read. And our advanced settings, which are the same or to be expected on every single Nextdoor block. So global styles, spacing, background border, scroll animations, make it look cool, display conditions, display rules is what they call it, hard position settings, z-index is over there, and our responsive settings to highlights on desktop, tablet, or mobile, and custom classes. So let's go ahead and click on Publish and take a look at how this looks like on our live site. So let's click on View Page, and here we have our testimonials blocks and the rows that we made with it, and we customized it over here. So there you have it. Those are the testimonials block in WordPress Nextdoor. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Show this kind of video to other nerds like us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Hey, if you found this video helpful, be sure to check out one of our other videos, or go ahead and check out our channel and subscribe to see more content like this.